Hello beautiful peeps! Today we are going to do an Atomy skincare defense system review or unboxing. So, unfading beauty, unfading reputation po yung kanilang slogan. Actually, I've already opened this box na. Pero kung bibili po kayo nito at marireceive nyo siya, there's a seal right here, so I make sure it's sealed on both sides. Ayan. This is with the toner, eye cream essence, lotion, and nutrition cream. You have your little booklet right here. And kung saang plant siya gawa, the technology behind it. It's really nice and it tells you what it's for, kung paano siya gamitin. So, the packaging, it's really nice right here. It's very luxurious kung open mo siya. Now, I've used this product last night just to test it out. So, some of this is like open except the eye cream. So, let me start with the toner. So, by the way, this product is Korean made, or this is Korean product, and it's plant-based. Eto, umpisahan po natin sa toner. So, pagka ginamit niyo po siya, so you're supposed to wash your face na with your cleanser, and then pat it dry. Pag na-cleanse niyo na yung face niyo, you'll have to, this is the first step sa skincare set na to, no? So, yung toner po nila, it's not your usual toner. Yung usual toner po natin, it's like very liquid siya, diba? And then, ilalagay mo siya sa cotton and then you apply it in your face. This one, medyo parang creamy siya. I'm gonna apply it in my hair right here. Yan. Oops. So, you pump 1 or 2, but for me, I use 2. So, it's very liquidy. Medyo, a little bit thicker siya than your usual water or liquid toner. Yan, ayan po siya. It has a very light floral scent. Nagustuhan ko po sa product na to, it's very light and yung scent niya, mild siya, so it's not really overwhelming. Also, it's plant-based. So I was reading the stuff na sinulat nila dito yung technology, how they made the product, and kung paano siya nagpe-penetrate sa skin mo. I really love it. The science behind it, I really love. So nakita niyo po yung difference ng hair styles. Yung isa masyado ng glowy, no? Just the toner itself. So this toner, lagay mo lang siya sa palm mo ganyan, no? Kaya wipe it out and then you spread it. So yung instruction it says, na napanood ko before this video, you can pump 3 to 4 yung iba, no? Depende kasi apply mo pa sa neck mo. Pero ako, I use only 2 pumps. So, balik natin siya. So, hindi ko na po gaanong i-explain sa inyo yung full details. Kasi very overwhelming po yung mga ingredients niya, no? Pero again, plant-based siya. And you can find the information under their website or kaya i-YouTube nyo lang po. Also, Miss Grail, she will be doing an instruction video sa YouTube channel niya. So, hintayin po natin. Yung susunod na step, yung essence. This one I really love. So, after nyo mag-toner, ito, it's like, para siyang, yung pinaka-serum nila. So, ganito po siya ka-thick. As you can see. I love the packaging. Napaka-social. Ayan. So, wipe nyo lang po siyang ganyan. Okay, both of your face. Mga 2 to 3 pumps lang din. So, makita nyo po, I'm trying it in one of my hand para makita nyo yung difference. Diba? Anong difference nung dalawang kamay? So, yung isa may Korean glow ka na agad. Yung isa dry pa din. So, ayan natin makita yung difference. So, ito yung mga formulation niya. So, meron siyang plumping moisture, yung patinol nila. It prevents dryness and soothes the skin. And then, meron siyang 5 types of hyaluronic acid, which is very important po yung sa skin natin. And they actually put 5 sa mga ingredients na to, no? So, kaya isang apply nyo pa lang, very hydrated na agad yung skin. Kita nyo naman po yung difference, right? So, meron din siyang barrier moisture, which is yung ceramide. Important din po yan sa skin natin. So, ito yung nagustuhan ko. And then, it's a certified excellent rating by Dermatest or Dermatologist Research from Germany. So, ayan, very high quality po siya. And then, nakasulat po dito yung mga plant-based na ginamit nila. And I was reading it, this one. Ito yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko to where they explain you the science behind it, kung ano yung nangyayari sa skin mo. Why they are different from any other product na makita nyo sa market. Based on my understanding, mas binaliit nila yung mga particles o molecules, yung solution ng mga products nila, kaya mas mabilis siyang ma-absorb ng skin natin, as mas nakukold siya ng skin, hindi nasasayang yung products. So, ang next step po dyan, after ng essence nyo, yung lotion nila sa Korea, kasi lotion yung tawag nila sa moisturizer. Usually, satin, lotion, usually when we say lotion sa face siya, no? Pero ito, I like this one kasi ito, nung in-apply ko siya kagabi, yung neck ko, parang nawala yung mga linya kong ganon. Parang agad-agad. So, try nga natin. So, ito yung susunod. So, mga sabi nga nila, 1 or 3 pumps. Pero for the sake of this video, so, ito yung sinasabi ko. So, you apply it there. Pero mag-iwan tayo ng konti sa kamay para po makita. So, in-apply ko siyang ganyan. Gosh, very, very dehydrated agad sa neck. Ayan. Ikita niyo. Pero pala isang side lang, no? Parang nakita niyo din yung pagka-moisturize ng aking neck. Ayan. I really love it kasi alam niyo na sabi nga nila dapat pagdating sa beauty, no, yung hands natin. Yan, nagkaka-age din yan. So, pati yung neck kasi mabutong area. So, kailangan yan yung talagang hina-hydrate natin para, diba, nakita nyo, glowing effect agad. So, try natin dito sa hand natin na ina-apply natin. So, ito yung parang ito eh. Actually, for me, this is just my opinion. You don't have to use everything sa product na, sa set na to eh. Ito, based on my research, nakita nyo yung glow, diba? May glow, Korean glow skin na agad itong isa dry pa. So, basically, itong first 3 step, the toner, the essence, and the lotion, based on my research, is your daytime. Lalo na kapag ka-oily skin ka, like myself. So, daytime. So, sa nighttime naman po, so those first 3 steps, and then, ito yung nutrition cream nyo. Ito yung gagamitin yung cream. Actually, na-open ko na to kasi tinry ko nga siya kagabi. Oh my gosh, I love this. So, kung marireceive nyo siya at bibili kayo, kailangan po sealed siyang ganyan. Ito po, dahil plano ko siyang gamitin just to see kung pag naubos na yung product, kung how my skin will look like, no? Ito, you'll use this one 2 to 3 times a week daw. Ayan, based sa aking research. Very, very small amount lang yung a-apply nyo. Ayan, binuksan ko na po siya, kaya po siya open. Ito yung kailangan, kuwari stress na stress ka, kailangan nung skin mo ng extra boost. Ayan. Mas magandang meron ka nito. So, 2 to 3 times a week. Ayan. Yung iba, syempre, depende sa age. I believe this one, when I asked Real, I think this is for like 25 to 40 years old or 18 to 40 years old ang pwedeng gumamit. Diba? Kabob! Kita nyo naman, glowing. Yung isa, kamay ng, I don't know how old na. Pero yung isa, kamay ng parang 18 years old. Shucks! Lakas! Yes, pagbigyan nyo na. Okay. So, that's that one. Etong this one, hindi ko pa siya na-open, but this is the eye cream. Actually, pagka ginamit nyo siya, naku, madulas na yung kamay ko. Yung pala, hindi ko nabanggit, no? Yung mga scent niya, mga floral scent, kasi nga plant-based siya. Para siyang for me, ha? For me lang to. The scent reminds me of like sampagita. Kung babalik tayo, it's like sampagita flower. Very, very mild. Hindi siya yung fragrance niya, hindi siya masyadong matapang. So, this one, hindi ko pa siya na-open, but I'm gonna try it tonight. So, eye cream din to. So, sa nighttime siya nakalagay gamitin. But, so, ayan po yung ating review sa box na to. So far, ang aking pong verdict, no, dahil na-try ko nga siya last night na, nakita ko po na ma-easily absorb siya sa skin, even if my skin type is what do you call this? Oily combination skin kasi ako. And during summertime, around this time sa US, very, very oily, nagiging very oily yung skin ko. But I tried this product last night and it was very hydrating sa face nung ginamit ko siya. I love, my favorite for me really is the lotion part. And then the toner and the essence. Feeling ko, if I use the nutrition cream more than 2 times a week, parang feeling ko magiging I don't feel like with my skin type na I recommend this for you if you have the same skin type like I do, na to use this more than 2 times or 3 times a week. Pero ito yung parang extra, magbibigay siya ng extra boost. So for me, tinry ko siyang lahat except the eye cream last night. Sobrang ganda ng feeling ng skin. For this one, no, nabibili nyo din siya, I believe, when I did my research, na by itself. So, ito lang kung parang if you wanted to test all the, kasi lalo na sa atin, no, yung mga age 30s and up, na marami na tayong mga pinapahid-pahid. Actually, ako, I think I have only 4 steps. Pero yung iba, di ba, they have 7, 9 steps skincare routine every day. So, kung gusto niyo pong, ito po yung magandang pang starter niya talaga. Kasi ako parang ito lang din ganon. Cleanse, tone, at saka moisturize. Minsan may vitamin C. So, that's about my skin routine. So, ito, perfect siya na pang try sa akin kasi hindi siya masyadong magulo gamitin. Very easy yung step niya. And then yung eye cream nga niya, hindi ko pa na-try. Pero, let's say, may ginagamit ka ng ibang product, you can just buy the toner just to test it out. Pero kung gusto mo lang ng extra moisture, I believe the essence and the lotion will do. Pero ako, itatry ko siya just to really see and test it out. So, ayan lang po ang aking review sa Atomy, the famed skincare system. So, isa po ito sa #1 and best-selling nila. Wow! So, this one, I believe, costs $100 or so, or more. Pero I think you'll get a discount if you are a member. Yung membership po nila it's free to join. So it says right here, the beginning of a new legend that will go beyond the achievements of the last 10 years and endure for 100 years. So ayan naman, alam mo naman po natin na pagdating yung Korean, kilala sila sa sa pagkakaroon ng good skincare product. Parang yun nga sila sabi nila, kung may Korean glow ka na. So, ayan. So, kahit po light lang yung sunscreen, din naglagay lang tayo ng konting blush dyan. And konting, yan. So, parang feeling ko glowing yung skin ko na din. So, ginamit ko siya actually, I used this product last night and this morning. Para nga po mas matest natin. Kasi, I really wanted to see kung talagang gano'n siya ka-effective. So far, so good siya with me. But again, hindi ko po siya ginagamit lahat. Kasi parang feeling ko, you can use this product by itself. So, yan lang po. And if you want to learn more about the Atomy product, you may contact Miss Grail with her information right here on the screen. Okay? So, yun lang po. I hope na I did a great job sa pag-unbox and review natin ito. So, yun lang po. And take care!